Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to play Tower of Hell. God, I hate this one. Okay, good, that's good. What? By the way, I have never made it past this. Maybe once with invincibility, but never without it. For me, it's hard. What? How? My God, help me. By the way, guys, this is my new YouTube costume. No pants team, yay! Please visit my my new game that I made today. If you go to my profile, JOPELXMA3, if you go to there and you go to creations and you find Joffel Xmas 3's place, if you press that arrow pointing to the next game, that will be my new game that I made. And it's like an obby, but I tried editing it, but it didn't save, so yeah. How are you meant to do that when that thing is in the way? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Boop, beep, stop, beep, boop, beep. What? I just feel like sprinting. Okay, I'm starting to get hot. I really need to turn on my fan. But it's very loud though. Oh well, I'll do it after this. Okay, good. Man, how did she do it? So you go like that. I think I know how. I think so. And if you guys want to copy my avatar, that is fine, because many YouTubers do that. Well, many YouTuber fans do that. So some things are off sale, so you won't be able to buy it unless someone creates the same thing, but just like a new version of it. There we go, I finally did it. Thank God. If I fall, why? Why, God? Why do you have to do this to me if I fall? Okay, yeah, I hate this. I'm just going to the new towers. There. Ooh, not bad. Looks like they just started, like 30 seconds ago. Yes, I've done. Well, I haven't done it, but I've seen YouTubers do this. There. Perfect. Beautiful. What? At least the first one's easy, though. At least. Except for the ladder, I guess. Since I just fell from it. Good. What do you mean I'll report? to who? Someone hacking? Someone is? Huh? Answer me. Okay, they probably can't see me. But, who cares? Four. Got it. Okay, good. Now where do I go? Oh, wait. Okay, there. Now on to the third level. Oh, thank God. I thought there was a different one. Ah, yes, I've done this before. Yes, I've done this. Okay, that actually, okay, I do not like this. Okay, I really do not like this one. Yeah, I hate that one. Okay, I'm going to go back to the Toy Towers. Flamingo. Hey, Flamingo. Flamingo. Now, what do we do in this one? I don't think I've ever done this. Oh, okay, yes I have. Huh? Yes. My mum was just asking if my cat was inside, and luckily he is. Because it is pouring rain out here. Like, I'm not joking. Oh my God. Whew. Anywho. Fun XVI is on level 48. Wow, not bad. Come on. Okay, so you just go here, and this one you go there, and then this one you got to jump over that. Why did that go so far back? Anyway, I can do it again at least. Whoop. I like that face that Fun is wearing. I like that face. Now, on my avatar, it may look like that I'm not wearing a face, but I actually am. Okay, can you stop putting hashtags in the chat, please? It's getting very annoying, sir. Okay, where do I go? Okay. Okay. If I died there, I would be so depressed. Is this the same one? You have to... God, why? Okay, so just go like this, and then bam, and then that, and then that. Okay, good, and then that. Not too far back. I did not touch that. I swear I did not touch that. The red one. Ooh, the red one looks pretty cool. I've done it, I think. Come on, make it just in time. Actually, I made it before time. Come on. Okay, good. Now I can just go like that. And then that. And then that. And then that. And then I jump over this. Just like normally. And then that guy died. I jinxed it. Why do I have to jinx everything? Come on, okay. What? Why do you have to do this? Huh? Okay. This round's going to end anyway, so what's the point of buying this? Oh my god, these people are so stupid. The round is about to end. Why? Oh my god, that guy just loves spending money. Okay, actually I want to see what I look. Ooh, wow. Okay, who agrees that looks so much better than my normal avatar? This. Okay, quick. Come on. This. Because I think it does. Yay. Dude, high speed. What? Okay. I thought I was actually at the top for a second. I'm like, what? Dude, this is the best glitch ever. Oh, yes, I like this one. Damn it, I tried to jump. But I didn't have time. That one is so simple. How did I die on it? Ha! And how did I fall on it? Ha! Ah, finally. Good. Yeah, I don't think I've ever done this. No. I'm just trying to do as many shortcuts as I can without dying. Okay. Oh, no, not this one. No, it can't be. I hate this one. Yes! Stop buying things! These guys just love spending money. God, people do not understand how hard it is. Ah, perfect. Perfecto. Like, how many people like, ooh, fishy. Little fishy. Well, that's going to wrap up the video here, guys. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe and join my group. Bye. Bye.